Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the Pixel visible to your computer. Enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and accept the computer's RSA prompt. Install the matching Webcam client on your PC and the Droid Cam app on the phone. Use a high-quality USB cable and plug the phone into your computer before launching apps. Once connected, keep the phone screen awake and disable battery optimization for the app so the stream doesn't drop. These steps open the necessary bridge for video transfer. Now you perform the middle steps to get a stable video feed. Open the app on the Pixel and switch to USB mode, then run the client on your PC and pick the USB device from the list. Grant camera and microphone permissions on the phone when asked. On the PC, choose resolution and frame rate. 30 frames per second is a good balance, and select whether you want the phone's mic or the PC mic. Make sure other camera apps are closed to avoid conflicts. Finish by selecting the Pixel as your webcam in the meeting or streaming app, then test video and audio. Mount the phone for a steady shot, lock orientation, and silence notifications to prevent interruptions. If the feed is laggy, reduce resolution or close background processes. If nothing appears, restart the phone and PC app, replug the USB, and try a different cable or USB port. Make sure USB debugging was reauthorized. That single troubleshooting step, reconnect and restart, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.